Howdy y'all, welcome to this video tutorial on how to create and customize a drop-down option in a Google Sheet. This is a great option for everything from tracking student levels to parent communication. My name is Neely. I'm one of your classroom technology designers, and I'm so excited to help you learn how to take your Google Sheets to the next level. I'll be guiding you using a parent communication tracker as an example. However, the drop-down tool has unlimited possibilities. Use it for what works best for you. Let's get started. Once in your Google Sheet, you will click and drag to select the column or row where you would like to add drop-down options. While the column or row remains highlighted, click on Insert from the top menu bar. Next, select Drop-Down. Voila! You now have drop-downs in each of your selected cells, and you have access to the Data Validation Rules menu on the right. This is where you will customize your drop-down names and colors. Begin by clicking in the box titled Option 1 to name your first option. Since I am creating a parent communication tracker, I'll name each option a different form of contact. To add additional drop-down options, just click Add Another Item. Repeat the steps to name and add additional drop-down items until you have included all of your options. Once you are finished naming your options, you can click the drop-down arrow to the left of each option and choose colors to make your options stand out. You can choose from one of the provided colors, or you can click Customize to choose your own. Notice there are two options at the top of your color menu. The first color you can choose is your text color. This will change the color of your drop-down options words. The next option you can choose is the background. This will change the background of the drop-down menu. You can drag the sliders, enter a hex code, or use the eyedropper by hovering over a color on your screen that you like and clicking on it to choose a color. For this example, I will choose white for my text. Then I will choose a blue for my background. At the top of the color menu, you will see a preview of what your color choices will look like. If you like the colors you selected, click OK. You will continue the same steps for each of your options. Feel free to be creative and use any patterns or color schemes you like. Once you've finished selecting your colors, click Done. Now for the fun part. Try your drop-down options. Just click and select the option that fits. If there is anything you want to change, just click the little pencil in the bottom right corner of the drop-down. This will open your Data Validation Rules menu. Make whatever change you wish to make. When you are finished, click Done. When you do, a question box will pop up asking if you want to apply the changes you made to all of your drop-downs or just that particular instance. Choose whatever works for the change you made. If you want your drop-downs to remain consistent, I suggest choosing Apply to All. That's it. You now know how to use the drop-down option in Google Sheets. I can't wait to hear how you use it. If you need any additional help or have any questions, reach out to your classroom technology designer. Have a great day, and don't forget, it's always a great day to create with tech. Google and Google Sheets are trademarks of Google LLC, and this screencast tutorial is not endorsed by or affiliated with Google in any way.